S&B, you're not just a number. When you join the S&B team, you can really feel the family, you can feel the camaraderie. When I first started at S&B, I came off of a night shift with a different company and walked into the S&B hiring office in Mont Belvieu in 2012 as a pipe fitter. Here I am 13 years later, I'm still with the company. I went into construction because I like to see things get built. I like to see the project life cycle. I watched and learned through going through different crafts, and construction just kind of got a hold of me, and I stuck with it. Kind of have our meet and greet in the mornings. We stand out and meet all the employees coming through the gate. After that, we get into the office setting, get the superintendents, go through the day-to-day, see if we've got any issues, any complaints, anything that we need to fix, anything we need to, mitigate issues before we get the day started. We try to make sure that we're present in the field a lot of the day. That's my main driver for the superintendents, for the field staff that work for me, is to stay in the field. Construction makes a huge impact on the world, especially down here in the Gulf Coast where we're building, providing not only jobs, but providing energy, providing fuel, providing things for the entire world. I never thought walking into an office 13 years ago for a 6-month job that I'd still be with S&B, and that's one of the best things that's happened to me in my career.